Hello, so today I am going to look at this WolfWise. It's a tent, and if you know me, you know I bought a house in Florida, and so what does Florida have? It has beaches. And so, check this out and see what it looks like. So this is what it comes with in here. Open the box, you see there's WolfWise. And so, we'll open this up. See what they look like here. It comes with, these are gonna be the stakes, I'm sure, to stake it down. Let's see, how do we open it? Boy, you gotta tie it up pretty good. So, yep, stakes and some strings, so you can see to tie it down, which I will not do now. And let's see, they say it opens up in like a couple of seconds, so let's see. Whoa, this is huge. So I'm gonna set it up over here. And move the camera there, so that's what it looks like over here. And you see now, it's got a nice little tent here, and it's got a nice inside floor and everything. It's gonna be perfect on the beach. Turn it around this way here, you can see. So if you did wanna zip up the back and zip up one of the sides, you could leave it open. And then it's gonna be perfect, and it sets up in like, what did it take me, like a couple of seconds? So that's it, so that's the WolfWise little beach tent. And man, it's gonna be sweet.